How can you get rid of purselane? It is all over my garden. And this is from Rose in Stanton, Tennessee. You know about purselane, don't you, Mr. D?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Succulent leaves, right? Produces by seeds, root fragments. Do you know about purselane, Ms. Debbie?
I just pulled up a bunch of it.
Here we go. And you better make sure you get all of it because the seeds can actually survive in the ground for 40 years.
Oh my goodness.
Be careful. Survival, folks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what that is. So how do we control that? And speaking of control, I know one means of control. They're edible. The leaves are actually edible.
So they're not toxic.
Really?
So eat them. Huh?
You can eat them.
Are they good?
It tastes pretty good. They're succulent.
Especially if you have a big chunk of bacon in there.
If you have something like that, it tastes better, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we know that they're edible, but how else can we control them?
In a vegetable garden, you know, you got your hoe, you know,
Yeah.
good old cultivation.
Uh-huh.
Well, you know, run your cultivator if you've got one. But I know there aren't many pre-emergent herbicides or post-emergent herbicides that you could spray in the garden that that all your vegetables wouldn't be affected. You know, Purselane has some activity on it, and it's cleared for use for some garden vegetables, but not all of them.
Right.
But I'd probably stick with mechanical and using a hoe and cultivator in my garden. And in your yard,
yeah, it's a different story.
It's a totally different story.
Different story.
Because you can use several pre-emergent products and post-emergent products
Sure
to take it out.
Yeah. Dithiopyr, pendimethalin in your lawn. You know, for pre and post, anything that contains what, 2,4-D, dicamba.
Right.
Yeah, that kind of stuff.
Of course, that'll also wipe your garden out.
Yeah, that will wipe your garden out. Yeah, you can do that in the lawn setting, but not in your garden. So, garden hoe, Miss Rose, garden hoe, that will help you out. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it. To subscribe, click below.